Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the another video. Well. iOS 18.7.7 is out, and the update size is about 417 MBs, depending on which iOS version you are using and which iPhone you are using. I'm using iPhone 10s, and it is running 18.7.6. And for me, this is around 417 MBs. In this video, we're going to talk about this update. So let's begin. Well, again, iOS 18.7.7 is out, and I'm actually surprised to see this update, being very honest with you guys. And simply, if you want to install this update, go to Journal, go to Software Update, and you will see the software update. And it is the update only for the people who are still using older versions, maybe iOS 18, maybe iOS 17. The people who are not upgraded to the iOS 26, this is for those people. And the people who don't want iOS 26, this is for those people. So iOS 18.7.7 is out. I'm definitely going to install this update right after this video. If I tap on the Learn More to see what is up with this update provides important security fixes, and it is recommended for all users. So basically, this is a security update, and some sort of malware was going on. And to tackle that malware, Apple bring this update for everyone who are still using iOS 18 or the older versions. And yeah, it's a security update, not a bug fix update, not a boosting performance or anything like that, because iOS 18 is already giving you a good battery life, good performance. So this is just a simple security update. So do you expect anything big in this update? Obviously, no. It's a double down update. And double down updates are always about enhancement of those stuff. And in this case, it's a security update. So the big question, should you install this update or not? See, if you are on iOS 18 already, definitely go and install this update. I will be installing this update right after this video on this channel. But if you are not using iOS 18, maybe on iOS 17 or something like that, you still need to rethink that should you get this update or not. And if you are on iOS 26, well, this update is not for you. You will not able to, downgrade to the iOS 18. So this update is not for you. Just ignore it. This is for the people who are on iOS 18. I'm happy to see that how Apple is still working on older updates to keep them updated and still, taking care of the security things. This is really nice approach by the Apple. And even they're taking care if anyone don't want to update to iOS 26, they're still giving updates to the older versions. So definitely this is very nice from them, and definitely you need to go and install this update, or no matter which iPhone you are using, if you are on iOS 18. Well, this is all from this video. I hope you like this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Do like and share this video, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. All day, take care. Peace out.